Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online class of English grammar for grade 6. Here I am teaching Mrs. Naula. I hope you will be fine. Today we will deal with the topics of pronoun verb agreement, contractions and frequently confused words on pages 91, 92 and 93. In order to do exercise on page number 91, you will have to understand some rules. I am going to explain these rules to you. Rule number 1. Add s to regular present verbs when you use the singular pronouns he, she or it. If the subject pronoun is he, she or it, so you will add s along with the verb as I have written in example. He plays, she bakes, it interests. Now you cannot say he play or she bake. That will be wrong. Rule number 2. Do not add s to regular present tense verb when you use a pronoun I, we or they. I, we, you or they. So along with these subject pronouns, there will be no s with the verb. They win the match. You invite all the friends. I help my mom in the kitchen. We study our lessons. Now you cannot say they wins, you invites, I helps. Such expressions will be wrong. Rule number 3. Indefinite pronouns anyone, everyone, both, several, someone do not refer to any specific person, people, thing or items. Along with them, s is added or not added accordingly. The words like anyone, everyone, someone, several, many, both. So these words are called indefinite pronouns. If the indefinite pronoun is singular, you will add s with the verb. Otherwise, there will be no s with the verb. For example, many of them look nice. Now, many is an indefinite pronoun. Also, it is used as a plural, so there will be no s along with look. Several people raise funds. Someone hides here. Now, someone is an indefinite pronoun, also singular. So you will write hides, not hide. Pronoun verb agreement on page 91. Read each sentence, choose a verb in parentheses that correctly completes the sentence. Write the correct verb on the line, underline the subject pronoun, circle the indefinite pronoun. Number 1. Jack thinks it looks like a good day for kickball. The subject pronoun is it. It will be underlined and write looks on the line. Number 2. He says he will organize a game. Please underline he because it is a subject pronoun. For this he you will write says. Number 3. We play on the corner near Clary's house. Underline we and write play on the line. Number 4. Anyone in the neighborhood knows where Clary lives. According to the question, we will circle all the indefinite pronouns in the exercise of page 91. Anyone is an indefinite pronoun, so I have circled it. For this singular indefinite pronoun, please choose the verb knows. Number 5. Today everyone agrees to play after lunch. Now everyone is another indefinite pronoun. For this singular indefinite pronoun, you will choose the verb agrees. Number 6. I want to be on Clary's team. Please choose the subject pronoun I here. Okay, you will underline it and also write want on the line. Number 7. She kicks the ball harder than the other players do. Underline she and write kicks on the line. Number 8. Two teams will play. Both hope to win. Both will be circled because it is an indefinite pronoun. And for this indefinite pronoun, you will choose the verb hope. Number 9. All of the players feel ready to go. All is an indefinite pronoun. You will circle it and write feel on the line. Number 10. You need to join our team. You need to join our team. You will underline you and for this you please write need on the line. On page number 92 you have got these expressions like I am, we are, he is, they are, it is, you will. Please write all these contractions on the small lines. Keep your handwriting neat and clean while you are completing any exercise. Avoid spelling mistakes. Be careful about the spacing. Between he and is, you will give a space. But when you're writing the contraction, there will be no space. The same rule applies for others as well. She has, she is. Okay, page number 93. Read each sentence, choose the word in parentheses that correctly completes the sentence, rewrite the sentence correctly on the line. Number 1. There will be an election for class officers tomorrow. Now here we have got three options, there, there, there. Their pronunciation is same, but spellings and meanings are different. So according to the sentence and the overall meaning, we will choose THERE, there. There will be an election for class officers tomorrow. Number 2. If you want to run for office, submit your name to Mr. Hong. If you want to run for office, submit your name. Your name. Now you will not say this your. Okay. So this is a contraction of you are. We will choose this your. That is actually a possessive adjective. Number 3. Who is going to run for class president? Who is? WHO apostrophe S. Whose? This is the contraction for who is. So you will choose this one, who is going to run for class president. Number 4. Victor and Lee are two good candidates for treasurer. Victor and Lee are two good candidates for treasurer. So you will choose TWO2. Number 5. Students who run for election will have their name on the ballot. You will choose their, THEIR. You will write complete sentence on the line as the answers. Please write complete sentence on the line without any spelling mistakes. I hope you will do it. Number 6, the last one. It's going to be an interesting race. You will choose it's going to be. It's IT apostrophe S. That is the contraction for it is. It's going to be an interesting race. So far we have concluded our exercises from page 91, 92 and 93. As a homework, you will revise all these exercises. Thank you very much and have a nice time.